welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. For today's video, I'll be showing you the apps that I've been using to edit my vlogs and thumbnails. And actually, these are the frequently asked questions for me whenever I upload a video. Like,
Ate Jem, where do you edit your videos? What apps do you use?
And is it for free?
well, I got you guys, because most of these apps are free and available both in iOS and Android, so you don't have to worry about that. And I make sure that the apps I'm using or installing have everything that I need, like, you know what I mean. It's an all-in-one app which has all the features. So if you want to know the items and not items, Shopee haul bangag. If you want to know these editing apps, then please keep on watching. I just want to show my phone case first. It's the Air Dior design and I really love the print quality. Like, para siyang may texture na naka-emboss, but it's just flat. Basta I can't explain how good the quality is. And this is just 75 pesos from Shopee, and Chelsea Valencia made me buy it. So if you want to purchase this case too, I'll be putting the link in the description box below. And when you open it, you will see a picture of my boyfriend as my lock screen. Charot lang. DJ agad si mama. It's actually Levi. He's my anime crush from Attack on Titan. So before I proceed to the last page, which contains the editing apps, just a quick shout out to Skillshare for sponsoring today's video. It's an online learning community that provides thousands of classes where you can learn so many things from their offered topics like photography classes, lifestyle, graphic and design, and even editing. You name it and they have it. And what's more interesting is that their classes don't have ads, so you can continuously watch and be able to maximize your learning and creativity. Plus, the duration per class is not really long, so I'm sure you're gonna enjoy the most out of it. You can also access this platform for less than $10 a month with annual subscription, and the first 1,000 to click the link will get a free trial of premium membership. I'm telling you guys, you don't want to miss this opportunity, so might as well click the link. Again, thank you Skillshare for sponsoring this video. Okay, back to the topic. The last two folders contain the photo and video editing apps. So for the first folder, I named it Photog, short for photography, kasi wala lang, I find it cool. For the first page, I commonly use it for layout, design, and typography, while the second page is more on filters, overlays, enhancement, and basically for Instagram. So let's start with Over app. This is one of my favorite apps because you can edit everything here. And if you have watched my intro tutorial videos, you'd know or learn the process of how I edit here in Over. Pero sige, I'd still show you guys a quick tutorial just so you can appreciate its features as much as I do. If you still remember the intro of my room makeover vlog, I edited it in Over. So here are my projects. And then yan, I just put shapes, text, pictures, and akala mo same lang naman per page, but when you combine it in a video editing app, there will be an interaction na parang, alam mo yun, kiniklik mo sila. And then for the thumbnail, let's open a transparent background. And then import the photos. And I'll be applying mask to smoothen the edges and make it look like it's just one photo. And one good thing is that you can also save your works in transparent background or PNG format, plus it provides a lot of fonts. So there. Next is PixArt. I just use this for collage, stickers, and sometimes when cropping out pictures. And then Canva, which I think is everyone's favorite because it has a lot of features. So aside from Over, this is also the app that I use for my thumbnails. Look at the stickers that I've used. I love how ripped the edges are. Like, it adds style to your design. And you can also change the color of the doodles. Ayan, you can make it pink, brown. There. And there are also ready-made templates where you just change the photos and text and customize it. Okay, next is Fonto, which is for font styles. I think it has more text features compared to Over. That's why sometimes I use this for my titles. And the fonts here are free, so you can use any font, or if you prefer to install your own downloaded fonts, that's okay. And then I also have Sketchbook and Adobe Sketch. They're almost the same, but I find the first one easier to use. So if you want to make your own doodles or put brush and chalky strokes, then you can make it here. I use the chalk pastel, yan, tas white. And then eraser, you can selectively remove the background of the photo. Like for example, this one, I'm targeting this background. So there, it became transparent and will be saved as PNG. Less hassle siya. Next is Me2, which is OMG, my lifesaver app. So if you're wondering where do I get my cute stickers and frames, it's just from Me2. So my fave magic brush here is yung flowers. Then you can also download other brushes as well. And even text bubbles. Sobrang cute. You just have to download them. Tapos my fave filter here is MN2 to MN8 para bright and pastel lang. There. I also have Snapseed, which I use to enhance or heal selectively. Like if you want to brighten a specific part of the photo, you can choose selective tool. And then on the second page, I have Lightroom for enhancement, filters, and presets. Like this one, ganito yung original color niya. Then when we add preset, magiging ganito na siya. Diba? Grabe yung difference. Like, it changes the whole mood of the photo. And one more thing that I love about Lightroom is you can tweak a specific color depending on your preference. Like, if you want to make the sky and the pool water bluer than blue, you just have to increase or decrease the hues. Ganyan. Next is RNI Films. I love the dust effects here. And they also have film filters, which is the same with Dazcam. So, ayan, pili ka lang. And then, pwede kang mag-apply ng dust. Pero dito kasi sa Dazcam, cameras mismo pinaprovide niya to achieve the realistic film filters. So, sobrang dami. May mga Instax, vintage cameras. Though most of them are not free, but the ones available are more than enough, so you don't have to purchase them all. I also have Nichi for aesthetic stickers and text, and you can choose a template or create your own. Then Preview to plan my IG feed and schedule the photos to be uploaded on my Instagram. Next is VSCO or Visco, which I use to edit my IG photos. My fave filter is A6 and A4. And then Unfold and Canva Stories for my IG stories. Ayan. Unfold is more basic and minimalist templates, while Canva Stories is just like Canva, but in portrait layout. Last is the Milkshake app, which is a website maker. You can put your links here, para siyang Linktree if you guys are aware of that. Yun yung ginagamit sa TikTok pag may nag-aas ng mga Shopee links, ganyan. But I think Milkshake is cuter and more aesthetic. Ito yung nasa IG bio ko, so you can put your social media links, YouTube video links, and even Shopee product links para isahan na lang siya. And you can customize the look as well. So there, we're done with the photo editing apps. Let's now go to the second folder named Clips. These are my video editing apps. The first one is Film. I use this for dusty overlays and film effects, and InShot for the transitions and effects, although some of them are in premium. Next is VLLO. I think I've edited 3 to 4 vlogs here because it's convenient to use since it has so many cute transitions, stickers, frames, and a lot more. And then Videolip and VN, they're almost the same, but VN is a free app. While in Videolip, you have to pay less than 500 pesos a month to unlock more features. And in my 1 year of creating videos, Videolip has been really helpful for me. Maybe because I got used with the tools and the workspace. Well, the free tools are fine naman to use, but of course, it's a different experience if you try the other tools. But if you don't want to spend that much for an app, you can try VN. It's free and you can add as many layers of photos and videos as you want. And lastly, my recent discovery, the CapCut, which is the most famous app among TikTokers for its cool transitions. But what I love most about it are the effects. If you have watched my recent upload, yung A Day in My Life vlog, it has a vintage or old TV retro theme whatsoever. And that's just from CapCut. So they provide a lot of effects, text animations, like yung mga typewriting effect, wave, glitch. And they have also frames, sobrang ganda, and a lot more. So it's available both in iOS and Android. So guys, give it a try. Sobrang ganda niya. So there, those are all the editing apps that I use, and I hope it can help you with your editing process. And thank you so much sa lahat ng nakaka-appreciate ng mga edits ko. Like, sabi, naiyak na ako, charot. I mean, hindi ko rin naman may edit yung mga yun if not for these apps. So if you're also using your phone to edit, girl, that's definitely okay, because sometimes it's not just the gadgets or equipment that you're using, but also your creativity to produce good content. And siguro yung tips pa na mabibigay ko, wow, may pa tips na akala expert. But ayun, I just wanna help you guys, lalo na yung mga small YouTubers out there, mga students na nagsisimula palang mag-edit. Siguro try to balance the importance of your content with your editing. Kasi diba, sometimes, yung content mo sobrang ganda but it's not presented well. Or kaya naman sobrang ganda ng editing mo but the content is not suitable for your audience or your viewers. So at least try to balance the two and be patient because you're using a mobile app. So there are times or instances na magka-crash siya, magka-hang, and ang hirap mag-zoom in o zoom out, ganyan, kasi maliit yung screen. So have a little patience. And what else? Exert an extra effort and time, especially if you want to come up with a good video or a good outcome. So, ayun lang. I hope you like this video, and if you have other video ideas that you want me to do, just leave a comment below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Ang arte. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye!